In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair a corrupted video file with VLC using a simple method that can help fix damaged AVI files and a second method for converting other corrupted videos into a fresh copy. This is a really useful trick if a video won't play properly, freezes, glitches, or refuses to open at all. And best of all, VLC is free, so you do not need to install any expensive repair software. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let's get into it. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, go to the top menu and click Tools, then Preferences. This is where we'll change an important setting that can help VLC handle damaged video files better. At the bottom of the Preferences window, look for the option that says Show Settings. Select All instead of Simple. This opens the full Advanced Settings menu, which gives you access to more repair-related options. Now, on the left side, go to Input Large Codecs, then expand Demuxes and click AVI. If your corrupted file is an AVI video, this is the key section that matters most. Look for the setting called Damaged or Incomplete AVI File. Change that option to Always Fix. This tells VLC to automatically try repairing problematic AVI files when they are open. After you make that change, click Save to apply it. Next, close VLC completely and reopen it. This step is important because VLC needs to reload the new setting. After VLC restarts, open your corrupted AVI video file and try playing it again. If VLC detects corruption in the file, it will attempt to repair it automatically during playback. In many cases, this can allow the video to open and play even if it was damaged during download, transfer, or recording. Now, if your video is not an AVI file, there is another method you can try inside VLC. Open VLC again, then click Media and choose Convert by Save. In the file selection window, click Add and select the corrupted video file you want to repair. Once the file is added, click Convert or Save at the bottom to continue. On the next screen, you'll need to choose a video profile. A good option is Video, H.264 plus MP3, MP4, because it creates a widely compatible output file that works on most devices and players. After selecting the profile, click Browse or select your destination file location. Make sure you give the new file a name so VLC knows where to save the repaired copy. Then click Start to begin the conversion process. What VLC is doing here is creating a new version of the video from the readable parts of the damaged file. This won't fix every single corruption issue, but it can often remove playback problems and give you a usable copy of the original video. Depending on the size of the file, the conversion may take a little time. So let VLC finish processing before opening the new file. Once the conversion is complete, go to the destination folder and test the newly created file. Open it in VLC or another media player and check whether the corruption has been resolved. If the video now plays smoothly, then the repair worked and you've successfully recovered your file. If the first method does not work and the converted file still has issues, you may need to try a dedicated repair tool or recover a backup copy if you have one. But for many common video problems, VLC is a fast, free, and surprisingly effective first solution. So to recap, for AVI files, go into VLC Preferences and set Damaged or Incomplete AVI File to Always Fix. For other file types, use Convert or Save to generate a new copy and test it afterward. This simple process can save you a lot of time and help you recover videos that would otherwise seem lost. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like. Subscribe for more easy software fixes, and share it with someone who needs to repair a damaged video file. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.